Automotive parts all categories, batteries, starting and charging, alternators and charging system. Category 1. Alternator 2. Alternator universal 3. Alternator bearing 4. Alternator brush 5. Alternator bushing 6. Alternator capacitor 7. Alternator diode 8. Alternator pulley 9. Alternator resistor 10. Alternator spacer 11. Bushing 12. Diode 13. Performance alternator 14. Performance alternator bracket 15. Performance alternator pulley 16. Voltage regulator, batteries, starting and charging, batteries, category 1. Battery 2. Specialty automotive battery 3. Truck battery, batteries, starting and charging, battery cables and accessories, category 1. Battery acid 2. Battery box and installation kit 3. Battery cable 4. Battery cable and lug 5. Battery cable cover 6. Battery clamp 7. Battery cooling fan 8. Battery cover 9. Battery current control system 10. Battery current sensor 11. Battery fuse 12. Battery hold down 13. Battery isolator 14. Battery stuck cap 15. Battery terminal 16. Battery terminal bolt 17. Battery terminal charging posts 18. Battery terminal and adapter 19. Battery terminal grease 20. Battery terminal protector 21. Battery terminal quick clamp 22. Battery tray OE exact fit 23. Battery tray universal 24. Battery vent tube, batteries, starting and charging 1. Battery cover, batteries, starting and charging, starter and starting system, category 1. Ballast resistor 2. Performance solenoid switch 3. Solenoid 4. Solenoid heat shield 5. Solenoid switch 6. Starter 7. Starter brush set 8. Starter bushing 9. Starter heat shield 10. Starter pinion ring 11. Starter repair kit 12. Starter shim universal type batteries, starting and charging, switches, relays and sensors, category 1. Battery current sensor connector 2. Ignition switch 3. Ignition switch kit 4. Neutral safety switch 5. Relay automatic choke / shutdown 6. Relay auxiliary battery 7. Relay battery charge 8. Relay starter 9. Sensor battery temperature, brakes and traction control, ABS system, category 1. ABS cable bracket 2. ABS deceleration sensor 3. ABS hydraulic unit 4. ABS pump / motor 5. Anti-lock brake control module 6. Brake sensor ABS 7. Relay anti-lock brake 8. Relay anti-lock brake modulator 9. Relay anti-lock brake pump motor, brakes and traction control, brake lines and hoses, category 1. Bearing retaining clip 2. Brake bleeder, universal type 3. Brake hose front 4. Brake hose rear 5. Brake hose kit 6. Brake hose lock 7. Brake hose plug 8. Brake hose to caliper bolt washer 9. Brake hydraulic hose clip 10. Brake hydraulic line 11. Brake line 12. Brake line fitting 13. Brake line fittings 14. Brake tubing 15. Metal line 16. Metal tubing 17. Performance brake line 18. Pin boot kit front 19. Pin boot kit rear 20. Steel line 21. Steel tubing, brakes and traction control, disc brake system, category 1. Banjo bolt 2. Brake anti-rattle clip 3. Brake bleeder screw, 4. Brake caliper front, 5. Brake caliper rear, 6. Brake caliper bolt/guide pin kit, 7. Brake caliper bolt/guide pin front, 8. Brake caliper bolt/guide pin rear, 9. Brake caliper bracket front, 10. Brake caliper bracket rear, 11. Brake caliper kit front, 12. Brake caliper kit rear, 13. Brake caliper mounting bolt front, 14. Brake caliper mounting bolt rear, 15. Brake disc hardware kit front, 16. Brake disc hardware kit rear, 17. Brake disc pad clip, 18. Brake dust shield, 19. Brake hose to caliper bolt washer, 20. Brake mounting bracket, 21. Brake pad wear sensor front, 22. Brake pad wear sensor rear, 23. Brake pads, 24. Brake rotor, 25. Disc brake caliper cover, 26. Performance brake pads, 27. Performance brake rotors, brakes and traction control, drum brake system, category 1. Backing plate brake shoe, 2. Banjo bolt, 3. Brake adjusting screw assembly, 4. Brake backing plate hole cover, 5. Brake bleeder screw, 6. Brake C-washer or clip, 7. Brake cable, 8. Brake drum front, 9. Brake drum rear, 10. Brake drum all-in-one kit front, 11. Brake drum all-in-one kit rear, 12. Brake drum bar, 13. Brake drum self-adjusting kit front, 14. Brake drum self-adjusting kit rear, 15. Brake dust shield, 16. Brake hold down pin, 17. Brake hold down spring, 18. Brake hose front, 19. Brake hose rear, 20. Brake hose kit, 21. Brake hose plug, 22. Brake hydraulic hose clip, 23. Brake line, 24. Brake line fittings, 25. Brake return spring kit front, 26. Brake return spring kit rear, 27. Brake shoes front, 28. Brake shoes rear, 29. Parking brake shoe, 30. Wheel cylinder front, 31. Wheel cylinder rear, 32. Wheel cylinder kit front, 33. Wheel cylinder kit rear, 34. Wheel seal front, 35. Wheel seal rear, brakes and traction control, master cylinder and power brake booster, category 1. Brake fluid level sensor connector, 2. Brake pedal position sensor, 3. Brake power booster, 4. Brake power booster filter, 5. Brake power booster sensor, 6. Brake pressure switch connector, 7. Brake pressure warning switch, 8. Brake proportioning valve, 9. Master cylinder brake system, 10. Master cylinder cap, 11. Master cylinder gasket, 12. Master cylinder reservoir, 13. Power brake booster check valve, 14. Relay brake pressure, 15. Sensor brake fluid level, brakes and traction control, parking brake components, category 1. Parking brake belt crank, 2. Parking brake cable connector, 3. Parking brake hardware kit, 4. Parking brake pedal pad, 5. Parking brake pump motor, 6. Parking brake release handle, 7. Parking brake release switch, 8. Parking brake shoe, brakes and traction control, performance brake kits, category 1. Performance brake pads, 2. Performance brake pad/rotors kit, 3. Performance brake rotors, collision, body, and hardware, 1. Air cleaner fastener, collision, body, and hardware, bumper and bumper accessories, category 1. Airbag impact sensor, 2. Bumper, 3. Bumper bracket, 4. Bumper cap, 5. Bumper cover front, 6. Bumper cover rear, 7. Bumper cover clip/retainer, 8. Bumper end cap, 9. Bumper extension, 10. Bumper impact absorber clip, 11. Bumper mounting accessories, collision, body, and hardware, cables, straps, and bushings, Category 1. A/T, shift indicator cable bracket, 2. Accelerator pedal bushing, 3. Automatic transmission shift cable bushing, 4. Automatic transmission shift tube bushing, 5. Brake pedal bushing, 6. Cruise control cable retainer, 7. Floor shifter cable bushing, 8. Liftgate strap repair kit, 9. Radiator mount bushing, 10. Tailgate cable, 11. Tailgate hinge bushing and kit, 12. Trunk release cable, 13. Universal control cables, collision, body, and hardware, 1. Convertible top HD pivot bushing, collision, body, and hardware, 1. Custom grille, collision, body, and hardware, door and door parts, Category 1. Cab door vent, 2. Door, 3. Door check strap, 4. Door glass attaching clips, 5. Door glass spacer, 6. Door handle exterior, 7. Door handle interior, 8. Door handle cover, 9. Door handle pads, 10. Door hinge, 11. Door hinge pin, 12. Door hinge screw, 13. Door interior trim panel retainer, 14. Door jamb switch, 15. Door latch cable, 16. Door lock actuator, 17. Door lock knob, 18. Door lock rod clip, 19. Door lock striker, 20. Door lock striker anti-rattle kit, 21. Door mirror bracket, 22. Door open warning sensor, 23. Door panel, 24. Door pillar post seal weather strip, 25. Door seal, weather strip, 26. Door trim molding clip, 27. Door window lockout switch, 28. Door window seal, weather strip, 29. Interior door handle bezel, 30. Power door lock switch, 31. Power door lock switch retainer, 32. Power sliding door cable, 33. Power window motor mount repair kit, 34. Side sliding door roller assembly, 35. Sliding door motor harness, 36. Sliding door roller bracket, collision, body, and hardware, engine, fuel and cooling, Category 1. Coolant air bleeder screw, 2. Coolant filler neck, 3. Coolant recovery tank, 4. Diesel fuel filter bleeder screw, 5. Distributor drive gear, 6. Engine balance shaft seal, 7. Engine oil filler tube grommet, 8. Engine oil filter bracket, 9. Engine oil pump bushing, 10. Expansion plug engine cylinder head, 11. Fan pulley bracket, 12. Flywheel cover, 13. Fuel hose clamp, 14. Fuel injection return line gasket kit, 15. Fuel injector O-ring, 16. Fuel injector sleeve, 17. Fuel tank attaching hardware, 18. Fuel tank lock ring, 19. Fuel tank vent valve, 20. Intake manifold bolt, 21. Intake manifold hose, 22. Intercooler junction, 23. Motor mount, 24. Oil filter cover, 25. Oil filter housing gasket, 26. Oil galley expansion plug, 27. Oil pump seal, 28. Performance radiator support header panel, 29. Plenum manifold cover, collision, body, and hardware, exhaust, Category 1. Exhaust bracket, 2. Exhaust manifold bolt and spring, collision, body, and hardware, fuel door, Category 1. Fuel door, 2. Fuel door cover, 3. Fuel door release cable, 4. Fuel door release repair kit, 5. Fuel door spring, collision, body, and hardware, headlamp/headlight, Category 1. Headlight, 2. Headlight adjusting motor, 3. Headlight adjusting screw, 4. Headlight bezel, 5. Headlight bracket, 6. Headlight bulb retainer, 7. Headlight cover, 8. Headlight fastener clip, 9. Headlight lens housing, 10. Headlight motor, 11. Headlight motor gear, 12. Headlight mounting panel, 13. Headlight retaining ring, 14. Headlight seal, 15. Headlight/temperature switch knob, 16. Xenon lighting ballast, collision, body, and hardware, hood and grille, category 1. Grille, 2. Grille/brush guard, 3. Hood and hatch bumper, 4. Hood hinge spring, 5. Hood latch kit, 6. Hood louver, 7. Hood prop rod retainer, 8. Hood release cable, 9. Hood release handle, 10. Hood restrain cable, 11. Hood safety catchable handle, 12. Hood seal, weather strip, 13. Hood seal clip, 14. Hood stop buffer, 15. Hood stop support, 16. Hood/trunk/bumper retainer, collision, body, and hardware, 1. Hood latch kit, collision, body, and hardware, knobs, levers, and handles, category 1. Door handle exterior, 2. Door handle interior, 3. Door handle cover, 4. Door handle pads, 5. Door lock knob, 6. Headlight/temperature switch knob, 7. Hood release handle, 8. HVAC heater control knob, 9. Interior door handle bezel, 10. Radio knob, 11. Seat back recliner adjustment handle, 12. Tailgate handle, 13. Truck fairing latch, 14. Turn signal lever, 15. Window handle, 16. Windshield wiper control knob, collision, body, and hardware, 1. Liftgate glass actuator connector, collision, body, and hardware, 1. Liftgate release motor, collision, body, and hardware, lighting sockets, category 1. Backup light socket, 2. Cornering light socket, 3. Directional indicator bulb socket, 4. Dome light socket, 5. Fog light bulb socket, 6. Headlight socket, 7. High beam lamp socket, 8. High mount stop light socket, 9. Instrument panel light socket, 10. License plate light socket, 11. Marker light socket, 12. Parking light socket, 13. Tail light socket, collision, body, and hardware, lighting, lamps, and lamp assemblies, category 1. Backup lamp, 2. Backup light lens/housing, 3. Backup lamp assembly, 4. Backup light seal, weather strip, 5. Backup/side marker lamp assembly, 6. Brake light cover, 7. Brake light lens high mount, 8. Clearance lamp, 9. Cornering lamp assembly, 10. Cornering light lens, 11. Cornering light lens/housing, 12. Cornering side marker lamp assembly, 13. Daytime running lamp, 14. Daytime running lamp module connector, 15. Daytime running light resistor, 16. Driving lamp socket, 17. Fog light custom, 18. Fog light assembly, 19. Fog light bracket, 20. Fog light clip, 21. Fog light lens, 22. Fog/cornering lamp assembly, 23. Haloing bulb, 24. Headlight, 25. Headlight assembly, 26. Headlight bulb retainer, 27. High mount stop light, 28. License lamp lens, 29. Lighting control module, 30. Module daytime running light, 31. Park clearance lamp, 32. Park lamp assembly, 33. Park/side marker lamp assembly, 34. Parking light lens, 35. Parking light lens/housing, 36. Parking/cornering lamp assembly, 37. Reflector, 38. Roof marker light mini bulb, 39. Side marker lamp lens and housing, 40. Side marker light assembly, 41. Side repeater lamp assembly, 42. Side repeater lamp lens, 43. Tail lamp connector plate, 44. Taillight assembly, 45. Taillight lens, 46. Turn signal light assembly, 47. Turn signal light lens / housing, 48. Turn signal light lens seal, 49. Turn signal repair kit, 50. Xenon headlight control module, collision, body, and hardware, miscellaneous collision, category 1. Air cleaner fastener, 2. Airbag clock spring, 3. Automatic transmission shift tube clamp, 4. Body shim, 5. Cabin air filter cover, 6. Cable stop clamp, 7. Center console hinge repair kit, 8. Center console latch, 9. Convertible top seal, weather strip, 10. Cowl seal, weather strip, 11. Door window switch bezel, 12. Engine oil filter cover plug, 13. Engine splash shield hardware, 14. Engine timing cover plug, 15. Fender rail, 16. Fender support bracket, 17. Grease fitting, 18. Hard top molding, weather strip, 19. Hatch seal, weather strip, 20. Horn actuator pad, 21. Key fob cover, 22. Kick panel retainer, 23. License plate bracket, 24. Lift support, 25. Lift support hardware, 26. Liftgate glass hinge, 27. Liftgate latch handle, 28. Liftgate release motor, 29. Molding retainer, 30. OE replacement horn kit, 31. Passenger airbag disable switch, 32. Passenger airbag indicator lamp, 33. Push nut, 34. Rear panel applique, 35. Schrader valve, 36. Shift park release link, 37. Skid plate retainer, 38. Sliding window latch kit, 39. Soft top, 40. Soft top hardware kit, 41. Spare tire compartment latch, 42. Spare tire hoist, 43. Spark plug thread repair kit, 44. Spark plug wire holder, 45. Splash shield retainer, 46. Spoiler retainer, 47. Stoplight switch retainer, 48. Sunroof switch bezel, 49. Sunroof switch retaining clip, 50. Taillight cover, 51. Taillight guard, 52. Taillight harness, 53. Tailgate handle bezel, 54. Tailgate handle cover, 55. Tailgate hinge, 56. Tailgate latch, 57. Tailgate molding, 58. Tailgate rubber stop, 59. Target top seal, weather strip, 60. Tilt cab lock, 61. Transmission oil drain plug, 62. Truck bed mounting hardware, 63. Trunk lid seal, weather strip, 64. Trunk release motor, 65. Undercar shield, 66. Universal lift support, 67. Vent glass seal, weather strip, 68. Wheel, 69. Wheel hub bolt, 70. Windshield washer pump grommet, collision, body, and hardware, seat products, category 1. Headrest mechanism, 2. Power seat motor, 3. Power seat switch retaining clip, 4. Power seat track repair kit, 5. Seat armrest bushing, 6. Seat back recliner adjustment handle, 7. Seat installation bracket, collision, body, and hardware, suspension, steering and drivetrain, category 1. 4-wheel drive axle actuator housing, 2. Axle shaft lock C-clip, 3. Clutch pedal bushing, 4. Differential cover plug, 5. Differential crush sleeve, 6. Differential drain plug, 7. Lateral link suspension, 8. Lateral link bushing, 9. Leaf spring bumper, 10. Leaf spring bumper spacer, 11. Leaf spring insulator, 12. Overdrive shift button kit, 13. Power steering pump washer, 14. Rack and pinion bushing, 15. Sensor steering wheel speed, 16. Shock mount insulator, 17. Stabilizer bar link bushing, 18. Stabilizer bar link washer, 19. Steering bushing kit, 20. Steering column housing repair kit, 21. Steering column lock actuator, 22. Steering column shaft seal, 23. Steering column shift mechanism, 24. Steering knuckle bushing, 25. Steering shaft bearing, 26. Subframe mount, 27. Torsion bar dust boot, 28. Transmission oil drain plug gasket, 29. Transmission shift interlock latch, 30. Transmission shift rod bushing, collision, body, and hardware, window, glass, and mirrors, category 1. Door window seal, weather strip, 2. Mirror assembly, 3. Mirror cover, 4. Mirror replacement glass, 5. Power window switch retaining clip, 6. Quarter glass seal, weather strip, 7. Side window cover, 8. Window channel, weather strip, 9. Window glass lift plate, 10. Window guide, 11. Window handle, 12. Window lift motor, 13. Window lift motor gear kit, 14. Window regulator hardware kit, 15. Window regulator roller, 16. Window regulator tape, 17. Windshield channel, 18. Windshield seal, weather strip, 19. Windshield washer filter, 20. Windshield washer hose, 21. Windshield washer nozzle, 22. Windshield washer nozzle gasket, 23. Windshield washer reservoir, 24. Windshield washer reservoir cap, 25. Windshield wiper control knob, 26. Windshield wiper linkage bushing, 27. Wiper arm adapter, 28. Wiper arm linkage bushing, 29. Wiper motor mounting bushing, cooling, heating and climate control, air conditioning, category 1. A/C, accumulator, 2. A/C, adapter fitting, 3. A/C, blower motor relay connector, 4. A/C, clutch and components, 5. A/C, clutch coil connector, 6. A/C, clutch control relay connector, 7. A/C, clutch cutoff relay connector, 8. A/C, clutch hold and relay connector, 9. A/C, clutch miscellaneous parts, 10. A/C, compressor water valve solenoid connector, 11. A/C, compressor, 12. A/C, compressor bypass pulley, 13. A/C, compressor clutch connector, 14. A/C, compressor connector, 15. A/C, compressor control valve, 16. A/C, compressor conversion kit, 17. A/C, compressor gasket kit, 18. A/C, compressor shaft seal kit, 19. A/C, condenser, 20. A/C, condenser fan assembly, 21. A/C, condenser fan motor, 22. A/C, control module, 23. A/C, evaporator core, 24. A/C, evaporator core repair kit, 25. A/C, evaporator relay, 26. A/C, expansion valve, 27. A/C, gasket and seals, 28. A/C, harness connector, 29. A/C, heater blend door actuator, 30. A/C, heater blower motor, 31. A/C, heater blower motor wheel, 32. A/C, high blower relay connector, 33. A/C, high-low blower relay connector, 34. A/C, hose assembly, 35. A/C, inline filter kit, 36. A/C, kit, 37. A/C, low blower relay connector, 38. A/C, orifice tube, 39. A/C, orifice tube repair kit, 40. A/C, power servo connector, 41. A/C, pressure cutoff switch connector, 42. A/C, receiver dryer, 43. A/C, refrigerant hose fitting, 44. A/C, refrigerant temperature sensor connector, 45. A/C, replacement valve, 46. A/C, selector mode switch, 47. A/C, service kit, 48. A/C, service valve cap, 49. A/C, spring lock, 50. A/C, suction line filter kit, 51. A/C, switch, 52. A/C, system O-ring, 53. A/C, system O-ring / gasket kit, 54. A/C, system oil, 55. A/C, system retrofit, 56. A/C, system valve core, 57. A/C, system valve core and cap kit, 58. A/C, thermo switch, 59. Blower motor connector, 60. Blower motor resistor, 61. Blower motor wheel, 62. Cabin heater and components, 63. Engine cooling fan resistor kit, 64. Heater water shutoff valve, 65. HVAC blower motor resistor harness, 66. HVAC heater blend door motor connector, 67. HVAC temperature control switch connector, 68. Orifice tube, 69. Performance A/C, drive belt titler pulley, 70. Pressure transducer connector, 71. Relay A/C, compressor clutch cutout, 72. Relay A/C, compressor throttle cutoff, 73. Relay A/C, compressor control, 74. Relay A/C, condenser fan motor, 75. Relay A/C, system, 76. Sealing washer, cooling, heating and climate control, engine cooling, category 1. Accessory drive belt tensioner tool, 2. Belt, 3. Coolant air bleeder, 4. Coolant filler neck, 5. Coolant recovery tank, 6. Coolant system adapter, 7. Coolant water bypass gasket, 8. Cooling bypass cap, 9. Cooling fan clutch bearing bracket, 10. Cooling fan control, 11. Cooling fan switch radiator, 12. Engine cooling fan clutch switch connector, 13. Engine coolant hose connector, 14. Engine cooling fan module, 15. Engine cooling fan shroud, 16. Engine cooling fan shroud clip, 17. Fan blade, 18. Fan blade flex, 19. Fan blade spacer gate, 20. Fan clutch, 21. Fan pulley bracket, 22. Hose lower, 23. Hose upper, 24. Hybrid drive cooling pump, 25. Inverter cooler, 26. Line splice, 27. Performance radiator support header panel, 28. Performance water pump, 29. Performance water pump bolt, 30. Performance water pump pulley, 31. Pipe plug assortment, 32. Radiator, 33. Radiator cap, 34. Radiator cushion, 35. Radiator drain plug, 36. Radiator fan assembly, 37. Radiator flush, 38. Radiator shutter assembly, 39. Relay auxiliary engine cooling fan, 40. Relay coolant level, 41. Relay radiator cooling fan motor, 42. Sensor radiator coolant level, 43. Thermostat, 44. Thermostat gasket, 45. Water outlet, 46. Water pump, 47. Water pump gasket, 48. Water pump kit, 49. Water pump pulley, 50. Water pump with fan clutch, cooling, heating and climate control, heating, category 1. A/C, heater blend door actuator, 2. A/C, heater blower motor, 3. A/C, heater blower motor wheel, 4. Blower motor connector, 5. Blower motor resistor, 6. Compressor clutch timer, 7. Heater blend door lever, 8. Heater blower delay turn on, 9. Heater control valve, 10. Heater core, 11. Heater core tube, 12. Heater hose fitting, 13. Hose, heater, 14. HVAC blower motor resistor harness, 15. HVAC heater assembly, 16. HVAC heater blend door motor connector, 17. HVAC heater control cable, 18. HVAC temperature control switch connector, 19. Relay auxiliary heater, cooling, heating and climate control, relays and switches, category 1. A/C, high blower relay connector, 2. A/C, high-low blower relay connector, 3. A/C, low blower relay connector, 4. A/C, pressure cutoff switch connector, 5. A/C, selector mode switch, 6. A/C, switch, 7. Blower control switch, 8. HVAC, control vacuum check valve, 9. Relay, A/C, compressor throttle cutoff, 10. Relay, A/C, compressor control, 11. Relay, A/C, condenser fan motor, 12. Relay, A/C, system, 13. Relay automatic temperature control, 14. Relay blower motor, 15. Relay blower motor cutout, 16. Relay high/low blower, 17. Relay power vent, 18. Relay vent control, 19. Temperature switch, drivetrain, axle, category 1. Axle bolt, 2. Axle bumper, 3. Axle hubbo, ring, 4. Axle shaft, 5. Axle shaft bearing front, 6. Axle shaft bearing rear, 7. Axle shaft flange gasket, 8. Axle shaft retainer, 9. Axle shaft seal front, 10. Axle shaft seal rear, 11. Axle spindle bearing, 12. Axle spindle seal, 13. Axle/differential gasket, 14. Intermediate shaft bearing axle, 15. Intermediate shaft seal axle, drivetrain, bearing, seal, and wheel, category 1. Locking hub, wheel drive, 2. Pinion bearing front, 3. Pinion bearing rear, 4. Pinion seal front, 5. Pinion seal rear, 6. Spindle stub shaft, 7. Wheel nut, 8. Wheel seal front, 9. Wheel seal rear, 10. Wheel stud, drivetrain, clutch, category 1. Clutch adjuster, 2. Clutch cable, 3. Clutch disc plate, 4. Clutch fork, 5. Clutch hydraulic hose, 6. Clutch hydraulic line, 7. Clutch linkage bushing, 8. Clutch master cylinder, 9. Clutch pilot bearing, 10. Clutch pilot/alignment tool, 11. Clutch pivot ball, 12. Clutch release bearing, 13. Clutch set, 14. Clutch slave cylinder, drivetrain, CV, category 1. CV axle, 2. CV axle seal, 3. CV boot kit, 4. CV joint clamp, 5. Quick boot, CV, 6. Universal CV joint boot, drivetrain, differential, category 1. Differential, 2. Differential bearing front, 3. Differential bearing rear, 4. Differential bearing kit, 5. Differential bearing/seal kit front, 6. Differential bearing/seal kit rear, 7. Differential carrier bushing, 8. Differential carrier gear kit, 9. Differential cover, 10. Differential drain plug gasket, 11. Differential dynamic dampener, 12. Differential lock switch, 13. Differential mount, 14. Differential pinion bearing baffle, 15. Differential pinion shaft lock bolt, 18. Differential pinion support, 19. Differential rebuild kit, 20. Differential ring and pinion, 21. Differential ring gear bolt, 22. Differential seal front, 23. Differential side bearing spacer. Drivetrain. Drive shaft, category 1. Drive shaft, 2. Drive shaft boot, 3. Drive shaft center support, 4. Drive shaft coupler, 5. Drive shaft CV joint, 6. Drive shaft flange bolts, 7. Drive shaft pinion yoke, 8. Drive shaft slip yoke. Drivetrain. Flywheel, category 1. Flywheel automatic transmission, 2. Flywheel manual transmission, 3. Flywheel bolt, 4. Flywheel ring gear, A/T, 5. Flywheel ring gear, M/T, 6. Flywheel shims, 7. Performance flywheel cover. Drivetrain, miscellaneous drivetrain, category 1. Four-wheel drive actuators, 2. Pinion bearing front, 3. Pinion bearing rear, 4. Pinion seal front, 5. Pinion seal rear. Drivetrain. Shifting products, category 1. Automatic transmission shift cover plate, 2. Driver gear position switch, 3. Floor shifter, A/T, 4. Floor shifter, M/T, 5. Gear shift bushing, 6. Gear shift lever kit. Drivetrain. Speedometer and cruise control, category 1. Cruise control kit, 2. Cruise control module/amplifier, 3. Cruise control release switch, 4. Cruise control servo, 5. Cruise control switch, 6. Odometer drive gear, 7. Overdrive cancel switch, 8. Overdrive cancel switch connector, 9. Speedometer cable, 10. Speedometer drive gear, 11. Speedometer gear housing, 12. Speedometer parts. Drivetrain. Transfer case, category 1. Transfer case, 2. Transfer case bearing, 3. Transfer case bearing and seal kit, 4. Transfer case control lever, 5. Transfer case control lever bushing, 6. Transfer case drain plug, 7. Transfer case drain plug gasket, 8. Transfer case gasket set, 9. Transfer case housing, 10. Transfer case input shaft bushing, 11. Transfer case motor, 12. Transfer case motor gear, 13. Transfer case mount, 14. Transfer case rebuild kit, 15. Transfer case seal, 16. Transfer case shift control module connector, 17. Transfer case shift fork, 18. Transfer case torque grommet. Drivetrain. Transmission, category 1. Automatic transmission valve body sealing sleeve, 2. Automatic transmission conductor plate, 3. Automatic transmission dipstick, 4. Automatic transmission dipstick tube, 5. Automatic transmission dipstick tube seal, 6. Automatic transmission governor, 7. Automatic transmission hydraulic control module, 8. Automatic transmission oil cooler line fitting, 9. Automatic transmission oil cooler thermostat, 10. Automatic transmission plug adapter, 11. Automatic transmission pressure switch manifold, 12. Automatic transmission shift lever, 13. Automatic transmission shift tube lever pin, 14. Automatic transmission shifter repair kit, 15. Automatic transmission spark control switch, 16. Automatic transmission, 17. Automatic transmission rebuild kit, 18. Electric motor transmission stator, 19. Manual transmission shift lever bushing, 20. Manual transmission shifter repair kit, 21. Manual transmission, 22. Manual transmission rebuild kit, 23. Performance manual transmission gasket set, 24. Performance transmission mount, 25. Transmission filler pipe cover lock pin, 26. Transmission, 27. Transmission bearing, 28. Transmission cable detent, A/T, 29. Transmission cable shift, A/T, 30. Transmission cable shift, M/T, 31. Transmission control solenoid, 32. Transmission cooler line assembly, 33. Transmission drain plug, 34. Transmission filler repair end, 35. Transmission filter, A/T, 36. Transmission fluid pan, A/T, 37. Transmission gasket set, M/T, 38. Transmission modulator, A/T, 39. Transmission mount, 40. Transmission oil cooler, 41. Transmission oil cooler hose, 42. Transmission oil pressure switch, 43. Transmission band gasket, A/T, 44. Transmission band with filter kit, 45. Transmission seal, 46. Transmission torque converter, drivetrain, U-joint, category 1. Performance U-joint, 2. U-joint, 3. U-joint disc spacer, 4. U-joint strap/U-bolt retainer, electrical and lighting, anti-theft, locks and keyless entry, category 1. Anti-theft module, 2. Door lock actuator, 3. Ignition lock cylinder, 4. Lock door, cylinder, and keys, 5. Lock trunk, cylinder, and keys, 6. Remote keyless entry, electrical and lighting, audio and stereo, category 1. Antenna, 2. Antenna adapter, 3. Antenna bezel, 4. Antenna cable, 5. Antenna mast, 6. DVD player remote control, 7. Radio capacitor, 8. Radio frequency interference condenser, 9. Stereo hardware kit, 10. Stereo installation kit, 11. Stereo mount, 12. Stereo removal tool, electrical and lighting, dome lights and interior bulbs, category 1. Ashtray light mini bulb, 2. Automatic transmission indicator mini bulb, 3. Check engine light mini bulb, 4. Clock light mini bulb, 5. Dome light mini bulb, 6. Door mirror light mini bulb, 7. Gauge light, 8. Glove compartment light mini bulb, 9. Ignition light mini bulb, 10. Instrument panel light mini bulb, 11. Interior door light mini bulb, 12. Interior/exterior light, 13. Map light mini bulb, 14. Radio dial light mini bulb, 15. Reading light mini bulb, 16. Seat belt light mini bulb, 17. Sun visor lamp, 18. Trunk/cargo light mini bulb, 19. Turn signal dash light mini bulb, 20. Vanity mirror light mini bulb, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, batteries, starting and charging electrical connectors, category 1. Alternator connector, 2. Battery temperature sensor connector, 3. Starter motor relay connector, 4. Starter terminal connector, 5. Voltage regulator connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, brakes and traction control electrical connectors, category 1. ABS control module connector, 2. ABS relay connector, 3. Body harness connector, 4. Brake fluid level sensor connector, 5. Brake pressure sensor connector, 6. Brake pressure switch connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, cooling, heating and climate control electrical connectors, category 1. A/C, blower motor relay connector, 2. A/C, clutch coil connector, 3. A/C, clutch control relay connector, 4. A/C, clutch cutoff relay connector, 5. A/C, clutch hold and relay connector, 6. A/C, harness connector, 7. A/C, high blower relay connector, 8. A/C, high-low blower relay connector, 9. A/C, low blower relay connector, 10. A/C, relay connector, 11. Coolant level sensor connector, 12. Coolant temperature send unit connector, 13. Engine cooling fan resistor connect, 14. Headlight connector, 15. Headlight switch connector, 16. Heated seat element connector, 17. Heated seat switch connector, 18. Heated thermostat sensor connector, 19. HVAC blower module connector, 20. HVAC temperature control switch connector, 21. Radiator fan motor connector, 22. Refrigerant containment switch connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, engine management electrical connectors, category 1. Air charge sensor connector, 2. Camshaft position sensor connector, 3. Crankshaft position sensor connector, 4. EEC. 4 test plug connector, 5. EGR position sensor connector, 6. Idle air control valve connector, 7. Idle position switch connector, 8. Idle speed control motor connector, 9. Low vacuum warning switch connector, 10. Manifold pressure sensor connector, 11. Mass airflow sensor connector, 12. Oxygen sensor connector, 13. Secondary air injection pump connector, 14. Secondary air injection relay connector, 15. Secondary air injection solenoid connector, 16. Throttle position sensor connector, 17. Vacuum sensor connector, 18. Vapor canister vent solenoid connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, exterior electrical connectors, category 1. Accessory connector, 2. Accessory junction block connector, 3. Ambient lighting kit switch connector, 4. Anti-theft connector, 5. Automatic lamp module connector, 6. Automatic transmission connector, 7. Auxiliary power outlet connector, 8. Backup alarm connector, 9. Backup light connector, 10. Backup light switch connector, 11. Barometric PSI sensor connector, 12. Blower motor resistor connector, 13. Body control module connector, 14. Crossbody harness connector, 15. Cylinder anti-theft disarm switch connector, 16. Decklid/hatch release switch connector, 17. Decklid/liftgate anti-theft switch connector, 18. Defogger switch connector, 19. Double contact lamp connector, 20. Electrical pigtail, 21. Fog light connector, 22. Footwelker to sea lamp connector, 23. Hazard warning flasher connector, 24. Headlight control module connector, 25. Hood ajar indicator switch connector, 26. Horn connector, 27. Horn contact, 28. Horn contact repair kit, 29. Horn relay connector, 30. Junction block wiring harness connector, 31. Liftgate object sensor connector, 32. Overdrive cancel switch connector, 33. Panel wiring junction block connector, 34. Park assist camera connector, 35. Parking aid sensor connector, 36. Parking aid switch connector, 37. Parking brake switch connector, 38. Parking light connector, 39. Pigtail connector, 40. Power antenna module connector, 41. Power antenna motor connector, 42. Power distributor block connector, 43. Power feed harness connector, 44. Running board light connector, 45. Side marker light connector, 46. Sliding door contact switch connector, 47. Speed blower controller module connector, 48. Tail light connector, 49. Tailgate harness connector, 50. Tailgate release switch connector, 51. Trailer tow relay connector, 52. Trailer wire connector, 53. Turn signal light connector, 54. Turn signal relay connector, 55. Turn signal switch connector, 56. Underhood lamp connector, 57. Vapor canister purge solenoid connector, 58. Variable power steer solenoid connector, 59. Washer fluid level sensor connector, 60. Windshield washer pump connector, 61. Windshield wiper control module connector, 62. Windshield wiper motor connector, 63. Windshield wiper/washer switch connector, 64. Wiring harness connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, fuel delivery electrical connectors, category 1. Flex fuel module connector, 2. Fuel injector harness connector, 3. Fuel pump connector, 4. Fuel pump harness connector, 5. Fuel rail pressure sensor connector, 6. Fuel center connector, 7. Fuel tank pressure sensor connector, 8. Fuel tank temperature sensor connector, 9. Fuse connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance electrical connectors, category 1. Choke thermostat connector, 2. Diesel glow plug connector, 3. Distributor connector, 4. Ignition coil connector, 5. Ignition control module connector, 6. Ignition switch connector, 7. Mixture control solenoid connector, 8. Oil level relay connector, 9. Oil level sensor connector, 10. Oil pressure switch connector, 11. Oil temperature sensor connector, 12. Secondary air injector control module connector, 13. TDC sensor connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, interior electrical connectors, category 1. Adjustable pedal motor connector, 2. Airbag connector, 3. Ashtray light connector, 4. 40. Changer connector, 5. Cigarette lighter connector, 6. Compass module connector, 7. Compass sensor connector, 8. Convertible top relay connector, 9. Dimmer switch connector, 10. Dome/reading lamp connector, 11. Door ajar/interior lamp switch connector, 12. Door contact connector, 13. Door courtesy lamp connector, 14. Door jamb switch connector, 15. Door lock motor connector, 16. Door lock relay connector, 17. Door lock solenoid connector, 18. Door lock switch connector, 19. Door mirror connector, 20. Door module connector, 21. Door speaker connector, 22. Floor console harness connector, 23. Fog light relay connector, 24. Fuse block connector, 25. Garage door opener connector, 26. Glove box lamp connector, 27. Ignition/radio capacitor connector, 28. Inline connector, 29. Instrument lamp connector, 30. Interior light switch connector, 31. Interior rear view mirror connector, 32. Message center connector, 33. Moonroof/sunroof motor connector, 34. Multipurpose wire connector, 35. Night vision camera connector, 36. Power mirror switch connector, 37. Power seat control module connector, 38. Power seat motor connector, 39. Power seat switch connector, 40. Power seat track motor connector, 41. Power window motor connector, 42. Power window relay connector, 43. Power window switch connector, 44. Radio audio control connector, 45. Radio display power board, 46. Radio multipurpose connector, 47. Radio power connector, 48. Radio speaker connector, 49. Rear window wiper motor connector, 50. Relay connector, 51. Seat belt release solenoid connector, 52. Seat belt switch connector, 53. Seat lumbar switch connector, 54. Seat memory switch connector, 55. Seat recline position sensor connector, 56. Shift interlock switch connector, 57. Sun load temperature sensor connector, 58. Sunroof/moonroof connector, 59. Sunroof control module connector, 60. Sunroof relay connector, 61. Sunroof switch connector, 62. System leak detection pump connector, 63. Trunk lid release solenoid connector, 64. Trunk lid release switch connector, 65. Trunk light connector, 66. Vanity mirror connector, 67. Video monitor connector, electrical and lighting, electrical connectors, suspension, steering, tire and wheel electrical connectors, category 1. Four-wheel drive control switch connector, 2. Four-wheel drive indicator lamp switch connector, 3. Air suspension connector, 4. Axle shift control switch connector, 5. Clutch pedal position switch connector, 6. Cruise control release switch connector, 7. Cruise control module connector, 8. Cruise control switch connector, 9. Downshift solenoid connector, 10. Gear shift select switch connector, 11. Load leveler relay connector, 12. Neutral safety switch connector, 13. Neutral tow switch connector, 14. Output shaft speed sensor connector, 15. Power steering control module connector, 16. Power steering pressure sensor connector, 17. Shift interlock solenoid connector, 18. Steering angle sensor connector, 19. Steering column connector, 20. Steering column tilt/telescope connector, 21. Steering solenoid connector, 22. Suspension self-leveling solenoid connector, 23. Suspension control connector, 24. Suspension ride height sensor, 25. Suspension ride height sensor connector, 26. Suspension yaw sensor connector, 27. Torque converter connector, 28. Traction control switch connector, 29. Transmission control indicator lamp connector, 30. Transfer case shift control module connector, 31. Transfer case shift harness connector, 32. Transfer case shift motor connector, 33. Transmission control module connector, 34. Transmission control solenoid connector, 35. Transmission oil temperature sensor connector, 36. Transmission range sensor connector, 37. Transmission solenoid valve connector, 38. Vehicle speed sensor connector, electrical and lighting, fuses, fusible links and circuit breakers, category 1. Circuit breaker, 2. Fuse, 3. Fuse and accessories, 4. Fuse block, 5. Fusible link, 6. High voltage power fuse box, electrical and lighting, harnesses, category 1. Alternator extension harness, 2. Automatic transmission wire harness, 3. Electrical pigtail, 4. Electrical wire connector kit, 5. Engine wiring harness, 6. Harness, 7. HVAC blower motor resistor harness, 8. Performance wiring harness, 9. Radio replacement interface, 10. Speaker wiring harness adapter, 11. Stereo wiring harness, 12. Terminal tap, 13. Trailer brake control harness, 14. Trailer wire harness and connector, 15. Vacuum harness, 16. Wiring harness universal, electrical and lighting, headlights and exterior bulbs, category 1. Backup lights mini bulb, 2. Brake lights mini bulb, 3. Cornering lights mini bulb, 4. Daytime running lamp, 5. Daytime running light bulb, 6. Fog light, 7. Fog light lens/housing, 8. Fog/driving light, 9. Headlight, 10. Headlight bulb cap, 11. High beam indicator light mini bulb, 12. High mount stop light mini bulb, 13. Hood light, under, mini bulb, 14. License plate light mini bulb, 15. Park/signal/side marker lamp lens, 16. Parking brake warning mini bulb, 17. Parking light mini bulb, 18. Side marker light mini bulb, 19. Step/courtesy light mini bulb, 20. Stepwell light mini bulb, 21. Tail light mini bulb, 22. Turn signal light mini bulb, electrical and lighting, lamps, and lamp assemblies, category 1. Backup lamp, 2. Backup lamp assembly, 3. Backup light seal, weather strip, 4. Backup/side marker lamp assembly, 5. Brake light lens high mount, 6. Clearance lamp, 7. Cornering lamp assembly, 8. Cornering light lens, 9. Cornering side marker lamp assembly, 10. Daytime running lamp, 11. Daytime running lamp module connector, 12. Daytime running light resistor, 13. Driving lamp socket, 14. Fog light custom, 15. Fog light assembly, 16. Fog light bracket, 17. Fog light lens, 18. Fog/cornering lamp assembly, 19. Headlight, 20. Headlight assembly, 21. Headlight bulb retainer, 22. Headlight control module connector, 23. High mount stop light, 24. License lamp lens, 25. Lighting control module, 26. Module daytime running light, 27. Park clearance lamp, 28. Park lamp assembly, 29. Park/side marker lamp assembly, 30. Parking light lens, 31. Parking/cornering lamp assembly, 32. Reflector, 33. Roof marker lamp, 34. Roof marker light mini bulb, 35. Side marker lamp lens and housing, 36. Side marker light assembly, 37. Side repeater lamp assembly, 38. Tail lamp connector plate, 39. Tail light assembly, 40. Tail light lens, 41. Turn signal light assembly, 42. Turn signal light lens seal, 43. Turn signal repair kit, 44. Xenon headlight control module, electrical and lighting, miscellaneous electrical and lighting, category 1. 4-wheel drive hub locking solenoid, 2. CAN bus hub, 3. Chassis wire harness, 4. Cigarette lighter, 5. Climate control gaseous pollutant sensor, 6. Electrical socket, 7. Flasher, 8. 4-wheel drive wire harness, 9. Fuel filler door lock actuator, 10. Hazard warning flasher, 11. Instrument cluster voltage regulator, 12. Shift interlock solenoid, 13. Tail light circuit board, 14. Tailgate latch actuator, 15. Terminal strip, 16. Torque converter clutch solenoid, 17. Total integrated power module, 18. Transfer case encoder ring, 19. Transfer case range position sensor, 20. Trunk latch actuator bracket, 21. Turbocharger boost sensor harness, 22. Variable valve timing oil pressure switch, electrical and lighting, relays, batteries, starting and charging relays, category 1. Relay auxiliary battery, 2. Relay battery charge, 3. Relay start run, 4. Relay starter, 5. Relay starter cutoff, 6. Relay starter motor control, electrical and lighting, relays, brakes and traction control relays, category 1. Relay ABS solenoid, 2. Relay anti-lock brake, 3. Relay anti-lock brake modulator, 4. Relay anti-lock brake pump motor, 5. Relay brake light, 6. Relay brake pressure, 7. Relay electronic brake control, 8. Relay parking lamp, 9. Relay power brake, electrical and lighting, relays, cooling, heating and climate control relays, category 1. Relay A/C, clutch, 2. Relay A/C, compressor clutch cutout, 3. Relay A/C, compressor throttle cutoff, 4. Relay A/C, compressor control, 5. Relay A/C, condenser fan motor, 6. Relay A/C, system, 7. Relay automatic temperature control, 8. Relay auxiliary engine cooling fan, 9. Relay auxiliary heater, 10. Relay blower motor, 11. Relay blower motor cutout, 12. Relay comfort control, 13. Relay coolant level, 14. Relay high/low blower, 15. Relay hybrid battery cooling fan, 16. Relay radiator cooling fan motor, 17. Relay vent control, electrical and lighting, relays, engine management relays, category 1. Relay R pump, 2. Relay ECM wiring, 3. Relay EFE control, 4. Relay EFI, 5. Relay EFI cold start, 6. Relay EGR control, 7. Relay engine management, 8. Relay mass airflow sensor, 9. Relay onboard computer, 10. Relay oxygen sensor, 11. Relay vacuum pump, electrical and lighting, relays, exterior relays, category 1. Relay amplifier, 2. Relay automatic headlight control, 3. Relay backup lamp, 4. Relay charge lamp, 5. Relay circuit opening, 6. Relay clutch pedal position, 7. Relay cornering light, 8. Relay daytime running light, 9. Relay dimmer, 10. Relay DME, 11. Relay emission control, 12. Relay exterior light bulb failure, 13. Relay fog lamp, 14. Relay forward lamp wiring, 15. Relay headlight, 16. Relay headlight delay, 17. Relay headlight high beam, 18. Relay headlight motor, 19. Relay headlight washer, 20. Relay heated mirror, 21. Relay high mount stop lamp, 22. Relay horn, 23. Relay main, 24. Relay manifold heater, 25. Relay multiple purpose, 26. Relay neutral, 27. Relay park/neutral position switch, 28. Relay powertrain control module, 29. Relay pulse wiper, 30. Relay tail lamps, 31. Relay tailgate, 32. Relay trailer marker light switch, 33. Relay trailer tow, 34. Relay transmission control, 35. Relay turn signal, 36. Relay twilight sentinel, 37. Relay water pump, 38. Relay windshield washer, 39. Relay wiper motor, 40. Relay X contact, 41. Relay and resistors, 42. Relay kit and assembly, electrical and lighting, relays, fuel delivery relays, category 1. EFE heater relay, 2. Relay decelerate fuel cutoff, 3. Relay fuel filler door, 4. Relay fuel injection pump, 5. Relay fuel pump, electrical and lighting, relays, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance relays, category 1. Relay air cleaner door solenoid, 2. Relay anti-diesel, 3. Relay automatic transmissions park control, 4. Relay diesel light, 5. Relay electric oil pump, 6. Relay engine oil cooler, 7. Relay fast idle, 8. Relay idle speed control, 9. Relay ignition, 10. Relay ignition feed, 11. Relay oil pressure indicator, 12. Relay secondary air injection pump, 13. Relay throttle control, 14. Relay wide open throttle cutoff, electrical and lighting, relays, interior relays, category 1. Relay accessory delay, 2. Relay accessory power, 3. Relay adjustable pedal, 4. Relay antenna, 5. Relay anti-theft, 6. Relay automatic seat back, 7. Relay cargo lamp, 8. Relay cigarette lighter, 9. Relay compartment lid release, 10. Relay convertible top, 11. Relay courtesy lamp, 12. Relay cruise control, 13. Relay door window lockout, 14. Relay drive-by-wire, 15. Relay driving light, 16. Relay heated seat, 17. Relay illuminated entry, 18. Relay illumination, 19. Relay instrument panel cluster, 20. Relay interior lamp, 21. Relay keyless entry, 22. Relay low fuel, 23. Relay parking brake release, 24. Relay power door lock, 25. Relay power seat, 26. Relay power window, 27. Relay radio noise suppression, 28. Relay radio speaker, 29. Relay radio wiring, 30. Relay rear window defog, 31. Relay seatbelt warning, 32. Relay steering column adjustment, 33. Relay sunroof, 34. Relay warning buzzer/chime, 35. Relay warning lamp, electrical and lighting, relays, suspension, steering, tire and wheel relays, category 1. Relay R suspension compressor, 2. Relay automatic level control, 3. Relay diesel light, 4. Relay electronic automatic transmission, 5. Relay electronic stability system, 6. Relay overdrive, 7. Relay power steering, 8. Relay skid control, 9. Relay torque converter inhibitor, 10. Relay traction control unit, 11. Relay transmission shift lock, 12. Relay upshift, 13. Transfer case relay, electrical and lighting, seat and steering, category 1. Horn, 2. Occupant detection sensor, 3. Power seat control module, 4. Power supply module, 5. Seat heater, 6. Shift lock actuator, 7. Steering column switch housing, 8. Turn signal cam, 9. Turn signal flasher, electrical and lighting, sensors, category 1. Ambient light sensor, 2. Automatic door lock position sensor, 3. Battery current sensor, 4. Brake power booster sensor, 5. Diesel exhaust fluid temperature sensor, 6. Diesel particulate filter press sensor, 7. Differential oil temperature sensor, 8. Door open warning sensor, 9. Electronic automatic temperature control sensor connector, 10. Engine cylinder head temperature sensor connector, 11. Exhaust back pressure sensor, 12. Fuel cutoff sensor, 13. Headlight level sensor, 14. Humidity sensor, 15. Hybrid battery voltage sensor, 16. Hybrid circuit breaker sensor, 17. Ignition pass lock sensor, 18. Intake manifold runner control sensor, 19. Master cylinder diaphragm position sensor, 20. Memory seat position sensor, 21. Power steering fluid level sensor, 22. Power steering speed sensor, 23. Rain sensor, 24. Security system infrared sensor, 25. Sensor battery temperature, 26. Sensor fuel temperature, 27. Sensor oil level, 28. Sensor steering wheel speed, 29. Sensor transmission oil pressure, 30. Sensor water and fuel, 31. Sensor windshield water level, 32. Speed sensor, 33. Steering angle sensor, 34. Supercharger pressure sensor, 35. Temperature sensor, 36. Torque converter temperature sensor, 37. Transfer case output shaft sensor, 38. Turbocharger vane position sensor, electrical and lighting, sockets, category 1. Brake lamp socket, 2. Bulb with socket, 3. Combination lamp socket, 4. Daytime running lamp socket, 5. Directional indicator bulb socket, 6. Headlight socket, 7. High beam lamp socket, 8. Instrument panel connector, 9. Instrument panel socket, 10. Interior door light bulb socket, 11. Universal tail light socket, electrical and lighting, switches, category 1. A/C, pressure cutoff switch connector, 2. Automatic transmission spark control switch, 3. Axle switch, 4. Backup light switch, 5. Battery switch, 6. Blower/heater fan switch, 7. Cargo area light switch, 8. Clutch pedal ignition lock switch, 9. Combination switch, 10. Decklid/liftgate ajar switch, 11. Decklid/liftgate ajar switch connector, 12. Defogger switch, 13. Dimmer switch, 14. Dimmer, headlight switch and plug, 15. Door jamb switch, 16. Driver information display switch, 17. Fog lamp switch, 18. Four-wheel drive selector switch, 19. Fuel filler door switch, 20. Headlight switch, 21. Hood ajar indicator switch, 22. Horn switch, 23. HVAC heater control switch, 24. Ignition switch, 25. Ignition switch kit, 26. Inertia fuel shutoff switch connector, 27. Instrument cluster dimmer switch, 28. Neutral safety switch, 29. Neutral. Backup and stop light switch, 30. Oil pressure switch, 31. Oil temperature switch, 32. Parking brake release switch, 33. Power door lock switch, 34. Power mirror switch, 35. Power seat memory switch, 36. Power seat switch, 37. Power sliding door switch, 38. Power steering pressure switch connector, 39. Power steering pressure switch, 40. Power takeoff, PTO, switch, 41. Power window switch, 42. Push-pull switch, 43. Rear window wiper/washer switch connector, 44. Rocker switch, 45. Seat lumbar switch, 46. Starter switch, 47. Starter switch color, 48. Stoplight switch, 49. Sunroof switch, 50. Sunshade switch, 51. Switch, 52. Switch convertible top, 53. Switch engine compartment light, 54. Switch fuel tank selector, 55. Switch glove box lamp, 56. Switch hazard warning, 57. Switch interior light, 58. Switch pedal height adjustment, 59. Switch ride height, 60. Switch seat heater, 61. Switch tailgate release, 62. Switch traction control, 63. Switch transmission temperature, 64. Switch trunk ajar, 65. Switch trunk lid solenoid, 66. Switch trunk lock release, 67. Switch panel, 68. Toggle switch, 69. Transfer case switch, 70. Transmission oil pressure switch, 71. Turn signal switch, 72. Windshield wiper switch, electrical and lighting. Window lift, wiper and other pumps/motors, category 1. HVAC heater blend door motor connector, 2. Power sliding door motor, 3. Sunroof motor, 4. Tailgate window lift motor, 5. Trunk release motor housing, 6. Window lift motor, 7. Window lift motor gear kit, 8. Windshield washer pump, 9. Windshield wiper transmission gear, 10. Windshield wiper/washer switch connector, 11. Wiper motor, 12. Wiper motor pulse board module, 13. Wiper transmission, emission control and exhaust, breather products, category 1. Breather cap, 2. Breather filter, emission control and exhaust, catalytic converter and mufflers, category 1. Catalytic converter heat shield retainer, 2. Catalytic converter, 3. Catalytic converter California, 4. Catalytic converter gasket, 5. Converter air tube kit, 6. Muffler, 7. Resonator, emission control and exhaust, clamps, hangers, and straps, category 1. Exhaust manifold to cylinder head repair clamp, 2. Exhaust clamp, 3. Exhaust hanger, 4. Exhaust muffler strap, 5. Exhaust system hanger, 6. Performance exhaust header, 7. Performance exhaust header bolt, emission control and exhaust, EGR system, category 1. EGR gasket screen, 2. EGR position sensor, 3. EGR time delay switch, 4. EGR vacuum modulator valve, 5. EGR vacuum solenoid, 6. EGR valve, 7. EGR valve block-off plate, 8. EGR valve gasket, 9. EGR valve pressure sensor, 10. EGR valve temperature sensor. Emission control and exhaust gaskets, kits, and heat shield, category 1. Converter air tube kit, 2. Exhaust flange gasket, 3. Exhaust flange kit, 4. Exhaust heat shield, 5. Performance exhaust mounting kit, 6. TBI base gasket, emission control and exhaust, miscellaneous exhaust, category 1. Air pump pulley, 2. Emission hose, 3. Exhaust brake actuator, 4. Exhaust crossover pipe, 5. Exhaust nut, 6. Exhaust pipe, 7. Exhaust pipe and adapter, 8. Exhaust repair, 9. Exhaust straight tubing, 10. Exhaust weld and bung, 11. Fuel cap, emission control and exhaust, oxygen sensors and exhaust manifold, category 1. Exhaust manifold, 2. Exhaust manifold bolt and spring, 3. Exhaust manifold California, 4. Exhaust manifold gasket, 5. Exhaust temperature sensor, 6. Oxygen sensor, 7. Oxygen sensor gasket, 8. Performance exhaust mounting kit, emission control and exhaust, PCV valve and canister purge, category 1. Canister purge valve, 2. Canister vent valve solenoid, 3. Check valve, universal type, 4. PCV valve, 5. PCV valve elbow, 6. PCV valve grommet, 7. PCV valve hose, 8. Performance PCV valve, emission control and exhaust, sensors and relays, category 1. Diesel exhaust fluid temperature sensor, 2. Differential oil temperature sensor, 3. Oxygen sensor, 4. Relay air pump, 5. Relay emission control, 6. Sensor ambient air temperature, engine management, air, smog, and vacuum pump, category 1. Air pump mount, 2. PCV valve ring, 3. Ported vacuum switch, 4. Smog pump, 5. Vacuum plug tube, 6. Vacuum pump, 7. Vacuum pump connector, 8. Vacuum pump pulley, 9. Vacuum reservoir, engine management, computers, modules, and chips, category 1. Computer chip PROM, 2. Cruise control module / amplifier, 3. Electronic spark control module, 4. Electronic spark control module connector, 5. Engine control computer, 6. Fuel pump driver module, 7. Fuel pump driver module resistor, 8. Information display module, 9. Liftgate control module, 10. Object sensor module, 11. Total integrated power module, 12. Transfer case control module, engine management, EGR system, category 1. EGR cooler, 2. EGR cooler hose, 3. EGR line / tube, 4. EGR pressure feedback hose, 5. EGR time delay switch, 6. EGR transducer, 7. EGR tube connector, 8. Relay EGR control, engine management, 1. Engine crankcase ventilation cover, engine management, miscellaneous engine management, category 1. ABS ring, 2. ABS wheel speed sensor bracket, 3. Air injection reactor pipe, 4. Camshaft interrupter magnet, 5. Cruise control servo, 6. Cruise control transducer, 7. Engine crankcase ventilation cover, 8. Exhaust back pressure regulator, 9. Fuel vapor leak detection pump, 10. HVAC heater hose retainer clip, 11. Idle speed control motor, 12. Intake manifold air heater element, 13. Intercooler boot kit, 14. Manifold differential pressure sensor, 15. Secondary air injection solenoid, 16. Temperature switch, 17. Turbocharger compressor wheel, 18. Turbocharger vibration dampener, 19. Vapor canister, 20. Vapor canister filter, 21. Vapor canister purge vacuum switch, engine management, sensors, category 1. ABS wheel speed sensor wire harness, 2. Accelerator pedal position sensor connector, 3. Accelerator pedal sensor, 4. Airbag impact sensor, 5. Air charge temperature sensor, 6. Air cleaner temperature sensor, 7. Barometric pressure sensor, 8. Brake fluid pressure sensor, 9. Camshaft position sensor, 10. Camshaft position sensor O-ring, 11. Coolant temperature sensor, 12. Crankshaft position sensor, 13. Differential lock sensor, 14. EGR position sensor, 15. EGR valve pressure sensor, 16. Engine coolant temperature sensor clip, 17. Engine crankcase pressure sensor, 18. Engine RPM sensor, 19. Engine variable sensor, 20. Exhaust temperature sensor, 21. Fuel injection pressure sensor, 22. Fuel injection timing sensor, 23. Heater core temperature sensor, 24. Hybrid phase current sensor, 25. Ignition misfire sensor, 26. Ignition pass lock sensor, 27. Knock detonation sensor connector, 28. Knock sensor, 29. Map sensor, 30. Map sensor connector, 31. Mass airflow sensor, 32. Mass airflow sensor adapter, 33. Nitrogen oxide NOx sensor, 34. Oxygen sensor, 35. Parking aid sensor, 36. Power door resistance sensor, 37. Relay mass airflow sensor, 38. Relay oxygen sensor, 39. Sensor fuel level, 40. Sensor fuel temperature, 41. Sensor steering wheel position, 42. Sensor turbo boost, 43. Suspension position sensor, 44. Suspension yaw sensor, 45. Tachometer sensor, 46. Taillight outage sensor, 47. TDC sensor, 48. Throttle position sensor, TPS, 49. Tire pressure monitoring sensor, 50. Tire pressure sensor mounting band, 51. Vacuum sensor, 52. Vehicle/transmission speed sensor, engine management, solenoids and relays, category 1. Ball vent solenoid, 2. Canister vent valve solenoid, 3. Cylinder deactivation solenoid, 4. EGR vacuum solenoid, 5. Engine variable timing solenoid, 6. Idle stop solenoid, 7. Relay DME, 8. Relay ECM wiring, 9. Relay EFI control, 10. Relay EFI, 11. Relay EFI cold start, 12. Supercharger bypass solenoid, 13. Turbocharger boost solenoid, engine management, valves, category 1. Air pump check valve, 2. Automatic transmission case vent valve, 3. Canister purge valve, 4. Diverter valve, 5. EGR valve, 6. EGR valve gasket, 7. Fast idle air valve, 8. Idle air control valve, 9. Intake manifold control valve, 10. Power steering air control valve, 11. Vapor canister shut-off valve, external engine, belt and idler pulley, category 1. Accessory drive belt tensioner tool, 2. Belt, 3. Belt tensioner, 4. Drive belt idler pull adjustment bolt kit, 5. Idler pulley, 6. Serpentine belt anti-slip shield, 7. Universal belt tensioner, external engine, camshaft, crankshaft and harmonic balancer, category 1. Camshaft thrust plate, 2. Engine harmonic balancer bolt, 3. Harmonic balancer, 4. Paper sensor spacer, 5. Performance harmonic balancer bolt kit, 6. Performance crankshaft pulley, 7. Repair sleeve harmonic balancer, external engine cooling, category 1. Engine oil hose, 2. Engine water pump stud kit, 3. Fan blade, 4. Fan blade spacer kit, 5. Fan clutch, 6. Thermostat, 7. Water outlet, 8. Water pump, 9. Water pump gasket, 10. Water pump kit, external engine, freeze plug, category 1. Freeze plug, 2. Freeze plug kit, external engine, fuel delivery, category 1. Fuel pump, 2. Fuel pump block off plate bolt set, 3. Fuel pump gasket, 4. Performance fuel pump block off plate, 5. Performance fuel pump mounting plate, external engine, ignition, category 1. Distributor, 2. Distributor check valve, 3. Distributor mounting gasket, 4. Performance distributor hold down clamp, 5. Point set, 6. Spark plug, 7. Vacuum advanced distributor, external engine, intake and air/breather filter, category 1. Air cleaner mounting gasket, 2. Air filter, 3. Air pump mount, 4. Breather cap, 5. Breather filter, 6. Fresh air intake hose, 7. Idle air control valve gasket, 8. Intake coupling, 9. PCV valve, 10. PCV valve elbow, 11. Performance breather filter, external engine, intake manifold, category 1. Intake manifold, 2. Intake manifold bolt, 3. Intake manifold flapper motor, 4. Intake manifold gasket, 5. Intake manifold runner solenoid, 6. Intake plenum gasket, 7. Performance intake manifold bolt, 8. Performance intake manifold gasket, external engine, 1. Motor mount, external engine, oil delivery, category 1. Coupling oil pump, 2. Engine oil dipstick flange repair kit, 3. Engine oil filter housing return tube, 4. Engine oil dipstick, 5. Engine oil cooler, 6. Engine oil cooler adapter, 7. Engine oil cooler gasket, 8. Engine oil cooler line connector, 9. Engine oil cooler mounting kit, 10. Engine oil drain plug gasket, 11. Engine oil drain back valve, 12. Engine oil filler tube, 13. Engine oil filter housing, 14. Engine oil filter support, 15. Engine oil manifold gasket, 16. Engine oil pressure sensor filter, 17. Engine oil pump drain plug, 18. Engine oil separator, 19. Engine oil separator cover, 20. Engine oil tube, 21. High pressure oil pump seal kit, 22. Hose, engine oil cooler, 23. Oil change pump, 24. Oil dipstick, 25. Oil drain plug, 26. Oil drain plug gasket, 27. Oil filler cap, 28. Oil filler cap, universal type, 29. Oil filler tube grommet, 30. Oil filter, 31. Oil filter adapter, 32. Oil filter cap, universal type, 33. Oil filter housing gasket, 34. Oil line for turbo unit, 35. Oil pan, 36. Oil pan bolt, 37. Oil pan dipstick grommet, 38. Oil pan gasket, 39. Oil pressure relief valve gasket, 40. Oil pressure switch, 41. Oil pump, 42. Oil pump cover gasket, 43. Oil pump drive chain, 44. Oil pump drive gear, 45. Oil pump gasket, 46. Oil pump high pressure O-ring kit, 47. Oil pump kit, 48. Oil pump screen, 49. Oil pump seal, 50. Oil pump shaft, 51. Oil pump shaft retainer, 52. Oil separator grommet, 53. Oil temperature switch, 54. Performance oil filter bypass adapter. 55. Performance oil filter remote mount kit. 56. Performance oil filler cap. 57. Performance oil pan gasket. External engine. Power steering. Category 1. Power steering control valve seal kit. 2. Power steering control valve. 3. Power steering cylinder kit. 4. Power steering cylinder seal kit. 5. Power steering gear seal kit. 6. Power steering oil cooler. 7. Power steering pump seal kit. 8. Power steering pump shaft seal kit. External engine. Starter and alternator. Category 1. Alternator. 2. Alternator pulley. 3. Starter. External engine. 1. Timing cover. External engine. Turbo and supercharger. Category 1. Supercharger coupling. 2. Turbocharger OE replacement. 3. Turbocharger actuator. 4. Turbocharger boost pressure valve. 5. Turbocharger bypass valve. 6. Turbocharger coolant line. 7. Turbocharger drain tube. 8. Turbocharger heat shield kit. 9. Turbocharger speed sensor. 10. Turbocharger stud. External engine. Valve cover and cylinder head. Category 1. Engine cylinder head. 2. Performance valve cover. 3. Valve cover. 4. Valve cover bolt/stud. 5. Valve cover gasket. 6. Valve cover grommet. 7. Valve cover load spreader. 8. Valve cover repair kit. 9. Valve keeper. 10. Valve lifter. 11. Valve spring. 12. Valve spring retainer. 13. Valve stem seal. Filters and PCV. 1. A/C. Inline filter kit. Filters and PCV. Air filter. Category 1. Air filter. 2. Air filter box. 3. Performance air filter. Filters and PCV. 1. Breather filter. Filters and PCV. 1. Cabin air filter. Filters and PCV. Fuel filter. Category 1. Fuel filter. 2. Fuel filter cap. 3. Fuel injector filter kit. Filters and PCV. Oil filter and oil filter accessories. Category 1. Engine oil filter bracket. 2. Oil filter. 3. Oil filter adapter. 4. Oil filter cover. 5. Oil filter housing gasket. 6. Performance oil filter bypass adapter. 7. Performance oil filter remote mount kit. Filters and PCV. 1. Power steering filter. Filters and PCV. 1. Transmission filter. A/T. Fuel delivery. Carburetors and carburetor components. Category 1. Accelerator cable. 2. Accelerator pump diaphragm. 3. Carburetor power valve block off plug. 4. Carburetor secondary throttle diaphragm. 5. Carburetor vacuum secondary spring kit. 6. Carburetor. 7. Carburetor external service. Universal type. 8. Carburetor float. 9. Carburetor kit. 10. Carburetor mounting base gasket. 11. Choke conversion kit. 12. Choke kit. 13. Choke pull-off. 14. Choke thermostat. 15. Choke tube gasket. 16. Dash pot. 17. Performance carburetor linkage servo. 18. Universal spring. Fuel delivery. Diesel system. Category 1. Diesel DEF heater. 2. Diesel DEF pump. 3. Diesel emissions fluid DEF module. 4. Diesel exhaust fluid filler neck filter. 5. Diesel exhaust fluid DEF hose. 6. Diesel exhaust fluid DEF injector. 7. Diesel exhaust fluid cap. 8. Diesel exhaust fluid coupler. 9. Diesel exhaust fluid filter. 10. Diesel exhaust fluid flow meter. 11. Diesel exhaust fluid nozzle. 12. Diesel fuel filter bleeder screw. 13. Diesel fuel injector pump pressure relief valve. 14. Diesel glow plug wiring harness. 15. Diesel injection pressure harness. 16. Diesel injector pump driver relocation kit. 17. Diesel particulate filter. 18. Fuel heater element. 19. High pressure oil pump fitting kit. 20. High pressure oil rail kit. Fuel delivery, fuel cap and fuel door. Category 1. Fuel cap. 2. Fuel door spring. 3. Fuel door, universal type. 4. Fuel filler neck seal. 5. Gas cap tether. 6. Gas fuel cap cable, fuel delivery, fuel filter and fuel line. Category 1. Fuel filter. 2. Fuel filter cap. 3. Fuel filter housing. 4. Fuel filter O-ring. 5. Fuel filter primer housing seal kit. 6. Fuel filter spring. 7. Fuel hose. 8. Fuel line clip. 9. Fuel line seal ring. 10. Tubing repair kit, fuel delivery, fuel injection system. Category 1. Fuel cooler. 2. Fuel injector multi-port tune-up kit. 3. Fuel injection fuel heater. 4. Fuel injection pressure damper. 5. Fuel injection pump, diesel only. 6. Fuel injection pump install kit. 7. Fuel injector. 8. Fuel injector cold start valve. 9. Fuel injector filter kit. 10. Fuel injector line. 11. Fuel injector O-ring. 12. Fuel injector throttle body gasket pack. 13. Fuel injector wiring connector. 14. Fuel line connector. 15. Fuel line retainer. 16. Injection pressure regulator, fuel delivery, fuel pump and strainer. Category 1. Fuel pump. 2. Fuel pump and tank assembly. 3. Fuel pump block-off plate bolt set. 4. Fuel pump O gasket. 5. Fuel pump driver module. 6. Fuel pump gasket. 7. Fuel pump inertia switch. 8. Fuel pump push rod. 9. Fuel pump strainer. 10. Fuel pump tank seal. 11. Fuel sending unit repair kit. 12. Performance fuel pump block-off plate. 13. Performance fuel pump mounting plate, fuel delivery, fuel rail. Category 1. Fuel injector rail crossover tube seal. 2. Fuel injector rail. 3. Fuel rail pressure sensor connector. 4. Intake coupling. 5. Performance fuel rail. 6. Supercharger coupling, fuel delivery, fuel sensors, relays and electrical. Category 1. Flex fuel module connector. 2. Flex fuel sensor. 3. Fuel cutoff sensor. 4. Fuel management wiring harness. 5. Fuel pressure gauge. 6. Fuel pressure regulator. 7. Fuel shutoff solenoid. 8. Fuel system. FI. 9. Wire harness. 10. Relay automatic choke/shutdown. 11. Relay decelerate fuel cutoff. 12. Relay fuel pump. 13. Relay low fuel. 14. Throttle control solenoid, fuel delivery, fuel tank and sending unit. Category 1. EVAP fuel tank pressure sensor. 2. Evaporative emission system lines. 3. Fuel tank. 4. Fuel tank attaching hardware. 5. Fuel tank filler neck. 6. Fuel tank lock ring. 7. Fuel tank lock ring tool. 8. Fuel tank selector valve. 9. Fuel tank selector valve connector. 10. Fuel tank sending unit. 11. Fuel tank strap. 12. Fuel tank temperature sensor connector, fuel delivery, throttle body system. Category 1. Performance throttle body unit, TBI. 2. Throttle body rebuild kit, TBI. 3. Throttle body spacer. 4. Throttle body unit, gaskets, axle gaskets. Category 1. Axle shaft flange gasket. 2. Axle/differential gasket. 3. Differential drain plug gasket. 4. Performance differential gasket. Gaskets, cooling system gaskets. Category 1. Coolant water bypass gasket. 2. Performance thermostat gasket. 3. Thermostat gasket. 4. Water pump gasket. Gaskets, exhaust gaskets. Category 1. Catalytic converter gasket. 2. EGR cooler gasket kit. 3. EGR valve gasket. 4. Exhaust flange gasket. 5. Exhaust header gasket. 6. Oxygen sensor gasket. 7. Performance exhaust header gasket. Gaskets, external engine gaskets and seals. Category 1. Distributor mounting gasket. 2. Engine oil cooler gasket. 3. Engine oil drain plug gasket. 4. Ignition coil mounting gasket. 5. Lower/conversion gasket set. 6. Master cylinder gasket. 7. Oil filter housing gasket. 8. Oil pan gasket. 9. Oil pressure relief valve gasket. 10. Oil reservoir gasket. 11. Oil seal. 12. Performance oil pan gasket. 13. Performance timing cover gasket. 14. Performance valve cover gasket. 15. Repair sleeve tool. 16. Secondary air injection pipe seal. 17. Semicircular plug gasket. 18. Timing cover gasket. 19. Turbocharger gasket. 20. Valve cover gasket. Gaskets, fuel system gaskets. Category 1. Air cleaner mounting gasket. 2. Carburetor mounting base gasket. 3. Choke tube gasket. 4. Crankcase ventilation gasket. 5. Diesel particulate filter gasket. 6. Fuel pump bowl gasket. 7. Fuel pump gasket. 8. TBI base gasket. Gaskets, internal engine gaskets and seals. Category 1. Crankcase front cover gasket. 2. Full gasket set. 3. Head gasket. 4. Head spacer shim gasket. 5. Intake manifold gasket. 6. Intake plenum gasket. 7. Oil pump gasket. 8. Performance camshaft gasket set. 9. Performance head gasket. 10. Performance intake manifold gasket. 11. Push rod cover gasket. 12. RACE gasket set. Gaskets, transmission gaskets. Category 1. Overdrive shift button kit. 2. Performance manual transmission gasket set. 3. Transfer case drain plug gasket. 4. Transfer case gasket set. 5. Transmission gasket set M/T. 6. Transmission pan gasket A/T. 7. Universal automatic transmission power takeoff gasket. Ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance. Air, breather, cabin filters. Category 1. Air filter. 2. Air filter box. 3. Breather cap. 4. Breather filter. 5. Cabin air filter. 6. Performance air cleaner top. Ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance. Battery. Category 1. Battery. 2. Battery cable. 3. Battery terminal grease. 4. Battery vent tube. Ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance. Belts, tensioners, and pulleys. Category 1. Accessory drive belt tensioner tool. 2. Belt. 3. Belt tensioner. 4. Idler pulley. 5. Industrial/non-automotive belt. 6. Timing belt. 7. Timing belt component kit. 8. Timing belt guide. 9. Timing belt tensioner. 10. V-belt by size. Ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance. Distributor and distributor components. Category 1. Distributor. 2. Distributor breaker plate. 3. Distributor cap. 4. Distributor cap cover. 5. Distributor cap, rotor, and coil set. 6. Distributor connector. 7. Distributor gear. 8. Distributor housing seal kit. 9. Distributor mounting gasket. 10. Distributor repair plate. 11. Ignition rotor. 12. Performance distributor cap/rotor kit. 13. Performance distributor cap. 14. Performance distributor drive gear. Ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance. Engine cooling. Category 1. Radiator cap. 2. Thermostat, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, ignition coil and related components. Category 1. Ballast resistor. 2. Ignition coil. 3. Ignition coil adapter. 4. Ignition coil cover. 5. Ignition coil ground strap. 6. Ignition coil lead wire. 7. Ignition coil mounting bracket. 8. Ignition coil mounting gasket. 9. Performance coil ignition. 10. Reluctor, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, ignition points, control modules. Category 1. Alternator capacitor. 2. Camshaft synchronizer. 3. Electronic spark control module. 4. Ignition condenser. 5. Ignition control module. 6. Ignition conversion kit. 7. Performance point set/condenser. 8. Pickup coil. 9. Point set. 10. Power distribution block. 11. Relay control module, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, ignition switch and wiring. Category 1. Ignition switch. 2. Ignition switch actuator. 3. Ignition switch actuator pin. 4. Ignition system kit. 5. Ignition system wiring harness, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, manuals. Category 1. Repair manual vehicle, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, miscellaneous hoses. Category 1. Crankcase breather hose. 2. Duct hose. 3. EGR pressure feedback hose. 4. Fresh air intake hose. 5. Fuel hose. 6. Hose, engine oil cooler. 7. Hose, vacuum. 8. Intake manifold hose. 9. Vacuum cap. 10. Vacuum hose. 11. Windshield washer hose, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, oil, transmission, and fuel filter. Category 1. Fuel filter. 2. Oil filter. 3. Transmission filter, A/T, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, PCV. Category 1. PCV valve. 2. PCV valve elbow. 3. PCV valve grommet. 4. PCV valve kit, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, radiator and heater hoses. Category 1. Air intake preheater hose. 2. Coolant bypass pipe. 3. Heater hose fitting. 4. Hose, heater. 5. Hose, lower. 6. Hose, upper. Ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, spark plugs, glow plugs, and wire sets. Category 1. Diesel glow plug connector. 2. Glow plug. 3. Glow plug controller. 4. Glow plug relay connector. 5. Glow plug strap. 6. Performance spark plug. 7. Performance wire set. 8. Spark plug. 9. Spark plug non-fouler. 10. Spark plug wire retainer. 11. Universal wire grommet assortment. 12. Wire set, ignition, tune-up and routine maintenance, wipers and related components. Category 1. Windshield wiper arm spring. 2. Wiper arm. 3. Wiper arm cover. 4. Wiper blade, windshield. 5. Wiper cowl, interior. Dash and gauge. Category 1. Dashboard air vent. 2. Dash cover front. 3. Dash cover rear. 4. Gauge cage. 5. Gauge panel. 6. Glove box lock, cylinder, and keys. 7. Performance gauge bod. 8. Stereo installation kit, interior. Floor console and storage. Category 1. Cup holder. 2. Dashboard pocket. 3. Storage box. 4. Sun visor bracket. 5. Sun visor clip. 6. Sunglass holder. 7. Underseat storage box. Interior. Headliner and dome light. Category 1. Dome light. 2. Dome light lens. 3. Headliner replacement. 4. Headliner retainer. 5. Upholstery hog ring. Interior. Interior door. Category 1. Armrest. 2. Door handle interior. 3. Door handle cover. 4. Door handle pads. 5. Door interior reflector. 6. Door latch assembly. 7. Door lock kit. 8. Door panel. 9. Interior door handle bezel. 10. Interior door handle bezel retainer. 11. Interior door pull strap. 12. Power window motor gear plug. 13. Side sliding door roller assembly. 14. Sliding door contact assembly. 15. Universal spring. 16. Window guide, universal type. 17. Window regulator cable. 18. Window regulator gear plug. 19. Window griller, interior. Knobs, levers, and handles. Category 1. Door handle interior. 2. Door handle and handle spring. 3. Door lock knob. 4. Door pull strap. 5. Gear shift knob. 6. Headlight switch knob. 7. Headlight/temperature switch knob. 8. Hood release handle. 9. HVAC heater control knob. 10. Ignition key blank. 11. Ignition lock cylinder. 12. Locking T-handle. 13. Performance shifter knob and handle. 14. Seat release handle. 15. Sliding window latch. 16. Steering wheel spinner knob. 17. Truck fairing latch. 18. Universal control knob. 19. Universal utility knob. 20. Washer lever. 21. Window handle. 22. Window handle knob. 23. Windshield wiper control knob. Interior. Pedal pads and related. Category 1. Accelerator pad. 2. Accelerator pedal. 3. Accelerator pedal bracket. 4. Pedal pad. 5. Brake pedal stop pad. 6. Clutch pedal pad. 7. Clutch pedal stop pad. 8. Parking brake pedal pad. Interior. Rear view mirror. Category 1. Rear view mirror. 2. Rear view mirror bracket. Interior. Seats, seat covers and floor mats. Category 1. Floor mat retainer/clip. 2. Seat. 3. Seat adjustment cable guide. 4. Seat adjustment gear. 5. Seat adjustment knob. 6. Seat back recliner adjustment handle. 7. Seat belt buckle button stop. 8. Seat belt retainer. 9. Seat cover. 10. Seat rail bushing kit. 11. Seat switch panel. 12. Trunk lining. 13. Universal seat belt. Internal engine. Balance shaft. Category 1. Engine balance shaft. 2. Engine balance shaft bearing. 3. Engine balance shaft belt. 4. Engine balance shaft belt tensioner. 5. Engine balance shaft chain. 6. Engine balance shaft chain guide. 7. Engine balance shaft gear. 8. Engine balance shaft seal. Internal engine, crankshaft and camshaft. Category 1. Cam phaser noise repair kit. 2. Camshaft. 3. Camshaft bearing. 4. Camshaft dowel pin. 5. Camshaft gasket set. 6. Camshaft interrupter magnet. 7. Camshaft kit. 8. Camshaft oil seal. 9. Camshaft seal. 10. Camshaft thrust button. 11. Camshaft timing gear. 12. Crankshaft hub engine. 13. Crankshaft kit. 14. Crankshaft timing gear. 15. Engine camshaft oiler kit. 16. Engine camshaft retainer bolt. 17. Engine intermediate shaft and gear. 18. Engine torque damper bushing. 19. Performance camshaft bolt locking plate. 20. Performance engine camshaft bushing kit. 21. Performance engine crankshaft woodruff key. 22. Performance camshaft. 23. Performance camshaft bolt. 24. Performance camshaft kit. 25. Performance camshaft thrust plate. 26. Performance crankshaft pulley. Internal engine. Cylinder head. Category 1. Camshaft, 2. Camshaft bearing, 3. Camshaft dowel pin, 4. Camshaft gasket set, 5. Camshaft interrupter magnet, 6. Camshaft kit, 7. Camshaft oil seal, 8. Camshaft thrust button, 9. Camshaft timing gear, 10. Cylinder head dowel pin, 11. Engine pushrod guide plate, 12. Exhaust valve engine, 13. Head bolt set, 14. Head bolt washer set, 15. Head gasket, 16. Head spacer shim gasket, 17. Intake valve engine, 18. Link bar roller lifter, 19. Performance camshaft bolt locking plate, 20. Performance engine camshaft bushing kit, 21. Performance camshaft bolt, 22. Performance camshaft kit, 23. Performance camshaft thrust plate, 24. Performance head gasket, 25. Performance pushrod, 26. Performance pushrod guide plate, 27. Performance rocker arm, 28. Performance rocker arm bolt, 29. Performance rocker arm stud, 30. Performance valve lifter, 31. Pushrod, 32. Pushrod tube, 33. Rocker arm, 34. Rocker arm bolt, 35. Rocker arm kit, 36. Rocker arm nut, 37. Rocker arm pivot, 38. Rocker arm shaft, 39. Rocker arm spacer, 40. Rocker arm stud, 41. Rocker arm stud girdle, 42. Valve cover repair kit, 43. Valve lash cap, 44. Valve lifter, 45. Valve spring, 46. Valve spring retainer lock, 47. Variable valve timing sprocket, internal engine, distributor, category 1. Distributor drive gear, internal engine, engine block, category 1. Crankcase to head tube seal, 2. Crankshaft kit, 3. Crankshaft timing gear, 4. Engine kit, master, 5. Engine rear main seal cover, 6. Freeze plug, 7. Main bearing engine, 8. Oil pan, 9. Oil pan bolt, 10. Oil pan gasket, 11. Oil pump, 12. Oil pump drive chain, 13. Oil pump drive gear, 14. Oil pump gasket, 15. Oil pump kit, 16. Oil pump screen, 17. Oil pump seal, 18. Oil pump shaft, 19. Oil pump shaft retainer, 20. Oil pump sprocket, 21. Performance engine camshaft bushing kit, 22. Performance engine crankshaft woodruff key, 23. Performance crankshaft pulley, 24. Performance engine kit, 25. Performance oil pump, 26. Performance oil pump pickup, 27. Piston, 28. Piston ring set, 29. Rear main seals, 30. Repair sleeve harmonic balancer, 31. Rod bearing, 32. Spark plug tube seal, 33. Valley pan cover, 34. Water pump housing, 35. Water separator valve, internal engine, engine gaskets, category 1. Air pump gasket, 2. Camshaft gasket set, 3. Crankcase front cover gasket, 4. Crankcase ventilation gasket, 5. Crankshaft seal front, 6. Engine variable timing solenoid gasket, 7. Full gasket set, 8. Gasket assortment, 9. Lower slash conversion gasket set, 10. Oil pan gasket, 11. Oil pressure relief valve gasket, 12. Oil pump gasket, 13. Oxygen sensor gasket, 14. Performance intake manifold gasket, 15. Performance valve cover gasket, 16. Pushrod cover gasket, 17. RACE gasket set, 18. Semicircular plug gasket, 19. Timing cover gasket, 20. Universal engine crankshaft seal. 21. Valve cover gasket. Internal engine. Intake. Category 1. Intake manifold control valve. 2. Intake manifold runner control motor. 3. Intake manifold vacuum retain bushing. 4. Intake valve engine. 5. Performance intake manifold gasket. Internal engine. Oil pan and oil delivery. Category 1. Diesel injection oil pump. 2. Engine auxiliary shaft oil seal. 3. Engine oil filter bypass valve. 4. Engine oil pump drive shaft. 5. Engine oil standpipe. 6. Oil line for turbo unit. 7. Oil pan. 8. Oil pan bolt. 9. Oil pan gasket. 10. Oil pressure relief valve gasket. 11. Oil pressure switch. 12. Oil pump. 13. Oil pump drive chain. 14. Oil pump drive gear. 15. Oil pump gasket. 16. Oil pump kit. 17. Oil pump screen. 18. Oil pump seal. 19. Oil pump shaft. 20. Oil pump shaft retainer. 21. Oil pump sprocket. 22. Performance oil pump pickup. Internal engine. Timing belt and chain. Category 1. Engine timing tab. 2. Performance timing chain. 3. Performance timing cover bolt. 4. Performance timing cover seal. 5. Performance timing set. 6. Performance timing tab. 7. Timing belt. 8. Timing belt component kit. 9. Timing belt tensioner. 10. Timing chain guide. 11. Timing chain tensioner. 12. Timing intermediate gear. 13. Timing set. 14. Timing tab. Powertrain. Category 1. Automatic transmission clutch pressure switch. 2. Automatic transmission input shaft speed sensor. 3. Engine. Powertrain. Miscellaneous transmission. Category 1. Automatic transmission shift repair kit. 2. Axle differential bearing kit. 3. Axle dust shield. 4. Bell housing dowel pins. 5. Clutch hydraulic hose. 6. Cruise control transducer. 7. Drive shaft flange. 8. Locking hub conversion kit. 9. Performance shift kit. 10. Relay electronic automatic transmission. 11. Relay overdrive. 12. Relay upshift. 13. Shift kit. 14. Spider gear. 15. Transmission band. 16. Transmission drain plug. 17. Transmission kickdown solenoid. 18. Transmission oil cooler O-ring. 19. Transmission sprag. 20. Transmission temperature gauge. 21. Transmission temperature sensor. Powertrain. Transfer case. Category 1. Transfer case. 2. Transfer case bearing. 3. Transfer case bearing and seal kit. 4. Transfer case control lever. 5. Transfer case drain plug. 6. Transfer case drain plug gasket. 7. Transfer case gasket set. 8. Transfer case housing. 9. Transfer case motor. 10. Transfer case mount. 11. Transfer case rebuild kit. 12. Transfer case seal. 13. Transfer case shift control module connector. 14. Transfer case shift fork. 15. Transfer case torque grommet. Powertrain. Transmission automatic. Category 1. Automatic transmission clutch pressure switch. 2. Automatic transmission conductor plate. 3. Automatic transmission input shaft speed sensor. 4. Automatic transmission kickdown cable bracket. 5. Automatic transmission oil cooler mounting kit. 6. Automatic transmission oil cooler thermostat. 7. Automatic transmission pressure switch manifold. 8. Automatic transmission throttle valve. 9. Automatic transmission. 10. Automatic transmission valve body. 11. Transmission torque converter. Powertrain. Transmission manual. Category 1. Bell housing manual transmission. 2. Manual transmission rebuild kit. 3. Performance manual transmission gasket set. Powertrain, U-joint, drive shaft and differential. Category 1. Differential air system seal housing. 2. Differential bearing retainer. 3. Differential carrier bearing. 4. Differential carrier bearing adjuster. 5. Differential conversion spacer. 6. Differential cover bolt. 7. Differential cross pin. 8. Differential housing. 9. Differential lock spring. 10. Differential lock washer. 11. Differential pinion bearing kit. 12. Differential pinion gear thrust washer. 13. Differential pinion shaft nut. 14. Differential pinion shim. 15. Differential ring and pinion. 16. Performance U-joint. 17. U-joint, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, air suspension. Category 1. Air management systems. 2. Air ride spring solenoid front. 3. Air ride spring solenoid rear. 4. Air spring front. 5. Air spring rear. 6. Air spring components. 7. Air spring to coil spring kit front. 8. Air spring to coil spring kit rear. 9. Air suspension compressor. 10. Air suspension compressor and dryer. 11. Air suspension compressor kit. 12. Air suspension dryer. 13. Air suspension line repair kit. 14. Air suspension load leveling kit. 15. Self-leveling system. 16. Suspension air helper spring kit. 17. Suspension air spring. 18. Suspension lift/lower kate, ball joint and tie rod end. Suspension, steering, tire and wheel, ball joint and tie rod end. Category 1. Ball joint lower. 2. Ball joint upper. 3. Ball joint boot. 4. Tie rod adjusting sleeve. 5. Tie rod boot. 6. Tie rod dust boot. 7. Tie rod end. 8. Wheel seal, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, bushings. Category 1. Axle pivot bushing. 2. Axle support bushing. 3. Casters/camber bushing. 4. Coil spring seat bushing. 5. Control arm bushing front. 6. Control arm bushing rear. 7. Differential carrier bushing. 8. Idler arm bushing. 9. Leaf spring bushing/bolt. 10. Leaf spring shackle bushing. 11. Rack and pinion bushing. 12. Shock absorber bushing. 13. Steering column bushing. 14. Steering tie rod bushing. 15. Strut rod bushing. 16. Strut rod bushing kit. 17. Subframe bushing. 18. Suspension bushing kit. 19. Suspension spring plate bushing. 20. Suspension strut mount bushing. 21. Suspension torque arm bushing. 22. Sway bar bracket bushing. 23. Torsion bar bushing. 24. Track bar bushing. 25. Trailing arm bushing. Suspension, steering, tire and wheel, control arm. Category 1. Control arm. 2. Control arm lower. 3. Control arm upper. 4. Control arm bracket. 5. Control arm bushing front. 6. Control arm bushing rear. 7. Control arm shaft kit lower. 8. Control arm shaft kit upper. 9. Radius arm. 10. Radius control arm bushing, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, idler arm, pitman arm, and center link. Category 1. Center link. 2. Center link kit. 3. Idler arm. 4. Idler arm bushing. 5. Idler tension spring. 6. Link bushing. 7. Pitman arm. 8. Suspension integral link. 9. Sway bar link. Suspension, steering, tire and wheel, leaf spring and traction bar. Category 1. Leaf spring. 2. Leaf spring assist kit. 3. Leaf spring bushing/bolt. 4. Leaf spring clamp kit. 5. Leaf spring hanger. 6. Leaf spring pass. 7. Leaf spring plate. 8. Leaf spring shackle, 9. Leaf spring shackle bushing, 10. Leaf spring shim, 11. Leaf spring support, 12. Traction bar, 13. Traction bars, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, miscellaneous steering, category 1. Bearing, 2. Kingpin set, 3. Steering column tube, 4. Steering pivot pin remover, 5. Suspension multi-purpose bump stop kit, 6. Sway bar link, 7. Tie rod dust boot, universal type, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, miscellaneous suspension, category 1. Alignment cam bolt, 2. Alignment cam guide pin, 3. Alignment camber caster plate, 4. Alignment caster/camber cam bolt, 5. Alignment caster/camber tool, 6. Alignment caster/camber washer kit, 7. Alignment caster/pinion angle bolt kit, 8. Axle spindle, 9. Axle spindle support strut, 10. Axle vent, 11. Bushing body mount, 12. Caster wedge kit, 13. Caster/camber kit, 14. Differential pinion angle cam, 15. And fitting return line, 16. Locking hub service kit, 17. Performance track bar, 18. Pinion bearing spacer, 19. Steering column, electric, 20. Steering coupler assembly, 21. Steering damper, 22. Steering rod and adjusting sleeve clamp, 23. Steering stabilizer mount kit, 24. Suspension bump stop, 25. Suspension control arm bolt, 26. Suspension control arm bumper, 27. Suspension control module, 28. Suspension limiter strap, 29. Suspension rod and bearing, 30. Suspension spring plate cover, 31. Suspension stabilizer bar bracket, 32. Suspension U-bolt, 33. Suspension wear plate, 34. Sway bar, 35. Sway bar link, 36. Track bar, 37. Track bar bushing, 38. Watts link belt crank, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, power steering, category 1. Power steering assist motor, 2. Power steering control valve seal kit, 3. Power steering control valve, 4. Power steering control valve kit, 5. Power steering cooler bracket, 6. Power steering cooler line, 7. Power steering cylinder, 8. Power steering cylinder boot kit, 9. Power steering cylinder kit, 10. Power steering cylinder line hose, 11. Power steering cylinder seal kit, 12. Power steering filter, 13. Power steering fluid dipstick, 14. Power steering gear kit, 15. Power steering gear seal kit, 16. Power steering hose connector, 17. Power steering oil cooler, 18. Power steering pressure switch connector, 19. Power steering pressure line hose, 20. Power steering pressure switch, 21. Power steering pump, 22. Power steering pump fan assembly, 23. Power steering pump kit, 24. Power steering pump pulley, 25. Power steering pump seal kit, 26. Power steering pump shaft bearing, 27. Power steering pump shaft seal kit, 28. Power steering reservoir, 29. Power steering reservoir cap, 30. Power steering return hose, 31. Power steering speed sensor. Suspension, steering, tire and wheel, rack and pinion, category 1. Rack and pinion, 2. Rack and pinion bearing kit, 3. Rack and pinion bellow, 4. Rack and pinion boot, 5. Rack and pinion bushing, 6. Rack and pinion mounting kit, 7. Rack and pinion seal kit, 8. Rack and pinion transfer tube, 9. Rack and pinion valve body seal kit, 10. Rack and sector gear kit, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, shocks, struts, and coil spring, category 1. Coil spring, 2. Coil spring front, 3. Coil spring rear, 4. Coil spring adjuster, 5. Coil spring booster, 6. Coil spring insulator, 7. Coil spring isolator, 8. Coil spring seat front, 9. Coil spring seat rear, 10. Coil spring spacer, 11. Performance coil spring stabilizer, 12. Performance jounce shock, 13. Performance shock slash strut, 14. Shock absorber bushing, 15. Shock absorber cover, 16. Shock bushing, 17. Shock high bushing set, 18. Shock isolator, 19. Shock mount insulator, 20. Shock mounting hardware, 21. Shock slash strut front, 22. Shock slash strut rear, 23. Shock slash strut bump stop, 24. Strut bumper and bellow, 25. Strut mount front, 26. Strut mount rear, 27. Strut rod bushing, 28. Strut rod bushing kit, 29. Suspension strut rod, 30. Trailing arm, 31. Trailing arm bracket, 32. Trailing arm bushing, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, 1. Spare tire, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, steering gear, shaft, and knuckle, category 1. Steering column adjuster gear, 2. Steering coupling disc, 3. Steering gear, manual steering, 4. Steering gear, power steering, 5. Steering intermediate shaft, 6. Steering knuckle, 7. Steering knuckle bearing, 8. Steering knuckle RACE, 9. Steering knuckle seal, 10. Steering shaft repair kit, 11. Steering shaft slip joint, 12. Steering shaft universal joint, 13. Steering worm gear, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, tire carriers and covers, category 1. Tire carrier, 2. Tire cover, tire maintenance and repair, category 1. Lug nut installation tool, 2. Rubber cement, 3. Tire patch, 4. Tire repair kit, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, tire pressure monitoring system, category 1. Tire pressure monitoring sensor, 2. Tire pressure sensor mounting band, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, trailing arm and torsion bar, category 1. Torsion bar, 2. Torsion bar bushing, 3. Torsion bar key, 4. Torsion bar mount, suspension, steering, tire and wheel bearing and wheel seal, category 1. Locking hub, 4-wheel drive, 2. Performance wheel dust cap, 3. Spindle lock nut kit, 4. Spindle nut retainer, 5. Wheel bearing dust cap, 6. Wheel bearing slash hub assembly front, 7. Wheel bearing slash hub assembly rear, 8. Wheel hub screw, 9. Wheel hub seal kit front, 10. Wheel installation kit, 11. Wheel nut, 12. Wheel nut lock, 13. Wheel seal front, 14. Wheel seal rear, 15. Wheel stud, suspension, steering, tire and wheel, wheels and wheel covers, category 1. Universal wheel cover, 2. Wheel, 3. Wheel center cap, 4. Wheel cover, 5. Wheel fastener cover, 6. Wheel nut covers, 7. Wheel skin, truck and towing, 1. Cargo boxes, bags, and storage, 2. Exterior dress up, 3. Fifth wheel and gooseneck, 4. Grill and brush guard, 5. Hitches, balls, mounts, and hitch accessories, 6. Running boards, NERF bars, and steps, 7. Seat cover and floor mat, 8. Splash guards and fender flares, 9. Suspension system, coil springs and lift slash lowering, 10. Tailgating, 11. Tie downs and tow straps, 12. Tonneau cover and bed liner slash mat, 13. Trailer wiring and electrical, 14. Trailer, flood slash fog and assorted lighting, 15. Truck bed accessories, 16. Truck bed rack and cab protection, 17. Truck boxes and liquid storage tanks, 18. Vent visors, bug deflectors, and truck cover, 19. Winch,